Valley. So before we get a closer look at the weather, let's get an update on the tropics. So earlier this morning, Tropical Storm Ernesto was impacting Puerto Rico, bringing in tropical storm winds, heavy downpours, and the potential for mudslides and landslides. But Ernesto is also expected to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane later on today, but it's not done just there. It's still going to continue to move further northwest and strengthen into a Category 3 hurricane before it makes its way toward Bermuda. So that is kind of the only area that's going to be affected by Ernesto. Alongside areas along the east coast, we could see waters very dangerous for them later on today and heading toward the weekend as well. But no other tropical activity is out there, and we're kind of in the clear as of right now for the Rio Grande Valley, and we're just in the influence of a high pressure system that's causing us to be hot and dry, but not only for us here, but for most across the country. So just dry and hot conditions with temperatures slightly above average for this time of year. So again, just mostly dry conditions, but we could have a few sea breeze showers later on today, and that's also thanks to daytime heating. That's what's going to trigger the showers for today, but coverage is low, about a 10%. So let's go ahead and track it all out. So as we continue into the afternoon and early evening hours, that is when a few sea breeze showers will filter in, but not everyone is going to experience it. So it's going to be very similar from yesterday and the day before. So consider this forecast kind of a copy and paste one, because we're just going to be dealing with these very hot and muggy conditions. In fact, let's get a closer look at those feel-like temperatures for today. Most of us will be in the triple digits, and some areas could have feel-like temperatures close to 110 degrees, and that's the reason why we have a special weather statement in place. And don't be surprised if we get more later on this work week. And as far as our overnight temperatures, well, we won't get much relief because they're only dropped down to the upper 70s to low 80s under partly cloudy skies. And like I said, we do it all over again for tomorrow, and then by the time we hit the end of the work week and into the weekend, that is when temperatures and things will start to dry out and heat up.